My people, please get into the ark. It's about to rain, and anyone that remains outside will now make it out alive.
Noah, you are lying. Nothing will happen to us. You can go with your family and leave us alone.
Please, my people, just like our God has instructed, please go inside the ark.
So guys, I created this thing with AI and it's very simple and also free. I did it for free. All right, this particular platform, you can actually use it for 30 days for free. And in as much as they actually give you 30 days for free, they also calculate it with coins. So you should actually manage it for you to be able to manage it till the 30 days. But I'll still encourage you to also pay for the paid version. All right. So I made a video earlier that I taught you guys how to create a Bible character. It's still the same platform. And for those of you that don't watch the video, I'll be putting the link in the description. And also, I will take you guys along on how to actually join this platform. So what you need to do basically is for you to come to Google. When you come to Google, you just need to type VO3. And once you type VO3, just click on search and they will bring different VO3 right here. But the one you are going to select is this deep mind. Understand? So you just need to select the deep mind. Okay. So once you select the deep mind right here, you will see try in flow. Try in flow. That's what you use. They also have try in Germany, but this try in flow is the one that you won't use it like actually is free, that you cannot manage it for a couple of times. So I'll click on try in flow. And once you click on try in flow right here, you can see we are in flow. So the next thing you need to do is to create with flow. Understand? So you just need to tap on this create with flow. And once you tap on the create with flow, then here they will ask you to sign in your Gmail. All right. So all you just need to do is for you to actually sign in your Gmail. So I'll just need to select any Gmail right here. Yes, then so I'll just select it and sign in. So right here, I've selected that particular one. So what I need to do right here, they say the experience and shape AI tools for creativity. So I just need to select all these, and then click on next, right? And here they say review our privacy and policy. So you just need to scroll up a little bit to review it, and they are going to pop up this continue right here. You just need to click on continue, right? And you just need to come right here and subscribe. Once you subscribe, it actually means that you can use this for actually 28 days or 30 days, right? So you just need to subscribe. So once you subscribe, definitely they will bring out this thing. They will tell you upgrade to Google AI Pro for access to a new AI filmmaking tool or more. You can see right here they say the actual fee is 28,500 naira, but you can actually do it for zero naira per month. All right, that's what I just said earlier. So what you need to do is just to click on this Get AI Pro, and then once you tap on it right here, they will tell you to agree. You just need to click on agree, because even if you don't agree, you cannot use it. So you just need to click on agree, and right here they will bring out a place where you can actually add your card, so that they will be able to charge you by next month. Okay, right here, I already have my card, in this. So all I just need to click right here is subscribe, right? So if you don't have your card on your Google or your Chrome, then you just need to add your card. Normally add the all those pin, and also add the date and all those things normal. Understand? And click on this subscribe right here, and it will be subscribed. You can see it's loading. So right now this particular one is subscribed, right? So that's it. So right here you can see they are just telling you like the feature, the benefit, and all those things that you get in the platform. But you already know what you really want, but you can just read through it. So just click on this go to flow, so that they will take you to flow, which is where you'll be able to generate this Bible story. Okay, there is one thing I want you guys to understand. In this platform they actually have a feature where, like, when you generate a scene, you can actually add another scene. But I didn't do mine like that. I actually generated everything different before Adam find out that you can actually do it that way. And when I tried it that way, they said that I'm out of coin, so which means that I'll need to actually subscribe for me to be able to enjoy it. So but definitely I'm going to show you guys how it works with this new account that I just created. And I want to show you guys exactly how I generated that story that you just watched earlier. So this is how I did it, so I did it right here. So what I did is that the first prompt I did is I said I used this prompt. Noah telling people that rain is about to fall, that they should get into the ark. Here is what he said to them. Understand? My people, please get into the ark. It's about to rain. Okay, so let me play the video so that you see.
My people, please get into the ark. It's about to rain, and anyone that remains outside will now make it out alive.
Can you see? So I now, after I generated that one, when Noah was telling people to get into the ark, there is someone that actually, so there are some people that didn't believe him, that opposed him. So I had to create another scene again for that. Let me play it so that you guys can see.
Noah, you are lying. Nothing will happen to us. You can go with your family and leave us alone.
Okay, so in this particular one, what I actually did, so the prompt I use is when one of the people in the crowd told Noah that nothing will happen, that he's lying. And now say the person should say this: Noah, you are lying, blah blah blah, which you as well heard. All right. So after I did that, I also generated like when the rain have dried and the animal were coming outside this thing. So you can let me play so that you can see. Okay, so and also created another this thing, which I was actually doing this particular one. I wanted to make a scene when the water was drowning those people, but due to because I ran out of coin, that's the reason why I didn't do that. After I generated all these things one after the other, the next thing I did is that I went to Filmora, then imported all the scene inside. You can also do that on CapCut. See, all the scene are here, so that's how I was able to join everything together.
It's about to rain, and anyone that remains outside will now make it out alive.
Noah, you are lying. Nothing will happen to us. You can go with your family and leave us alone. Please, my people, just like our God has instructed, please go inside the ark.
So you can see how smooth it was, right? So all you just need basically after you have imported it into Filmora or CapCut, depending on the app that is actually more favorable to you. I love using CapCut too. So all you need to do is when you created all those scenes, you just need to download them one after the other according to the way you scripted your video. Then now join them together according to the way you scripted your video. All right. So let's go straightly to inside this particular software. Let me show you guys how you can actually generate your scene, and it's very simple. So this one, like if you like, you can actually use a ChatGPT to actually do your prompts, but it's not something that strong. Like so far you know the story you want to tell and you already have your script. I don't think you need ChatGPT, but maybe if you really want to actually make it more professional, then maybe by then you will need ChatGPT to actually get you a good prompt. Because one thing about this is that if you put a prompt and the prompt is not very clear, they might generate something different, right? So let's go to the platform. Here is the place we are right now. So basically for me to actually create a scene, all right, so I just need to click on this new project. So when you click on this new project, what you are going to do basically is for you to actually tell AI the scene that you want to generate. Okay, right now I just want to actually recreate what I have already done before. So I'll just tell AI to generate when Noah was telling the people that rain was about to fall, so that you guys see how I created it. But before I actually put in my prompt, there is something I want you guys to understand. When you come to this platform, there is what they call a test to video. and also they have frame to video, and also they have ingredient to video. So but what we are going to be using is text to video. And also when you come to this side of the of it, you are going to see the setting. You just need to tap on it, and what you need to do right here, they say the output per prompt, right? So the output per prompt, which is the amount of video they will generate per prompt that you insert. Normally I like using one, but if you like you can use three, but the best is just use one. But why some people use like three is that they will actually, after generating, then they will now choose the one that is more perfect. So depending on what you want, but I love using one because while putting my prompt, I really know that they are going to generate something that I would like. And also this model is actually the quality of the video they are generating for you. So right here you can see they have VO2 fast, and they also have VO3 fast, text to video, beta audio. Understand? So they also have VO2 quality, VO3 quality, beta audio. All right. So if you use this VO2 or fast, right, they are going to actually generate something good for you, but most times you won't hear the audio. So if you want to hear the audio, you should go for this VO3 quality beta audio, which is actually one of the best audio and also the best quality they will provide for you. But the only thing is that anyone you generate with that particular one, the coin, which is the credit they are going to collect, will be much. Understand? So your credit will easily elapse, right? So but I prefer getting good result rather than keeping the credit when I can actually pay for it after, right? So this thing I'm teaching you guys, you can try it with a free version, but also try pay for it if you know that you are going to be using this particular thing to be making money, because a lot of people are actually making money with this. They are creating this story and they are posting it on YouTube and they are making money. So why won't you also be making money with it? You can also be posting it on TikTok, and there are people that are actually enjoying it. So it shouldn't just be something that you are learning for fun. A lot of people are making money with it. Some people are making thousands of dollars with this particular thing that I'm teaching you right here. So that's the reason why you just need to stay glued in this video and make sure you watch it to the end. And also, if you are new in this channel, I would like you to subscribe and hit the notification button. So right here, I will just need to come right here, then click on this VO3 high quality. All right, so you need to do this before you generate. And right now I would like to generate, so I'll just say when Noah. Okay, right now I have written the prompt, right? So let me read it for you guys. Here I said, when Noah was telling group of people to get into the ark, that rain is about to fall, and please, there should be ark in the video, and also the crowd should be men and women, and this is what Noah should say. Please, my people, get into the ark. The heavy rain is about to fall, and you cannot survive it out here when it starts. Understand? So this is exactly the prompt that actually inserted right here. And what we need to do right now is just to click on it, right, for it to start generating. Actually, this used to take a little bit time, but we can actually wait for it. So let's click on it right away. So I've clicked on it, and you can see right here is actually loading. So I don't need to wait for a little while for it to actually generate. So you guys will stick with me so that you see how I generated those scenes. So guys, as you can see right here, our video have been generated. So let's play it so that you can see. All right?
Please, my people, get into the ark. The heavy rain is about to fall, and you cannot survive out here when it starts. Please, my people, get into the ark. The heavy rain is about to fall, and you cannot survive out here when it starts.
So you see, this is exactly how I generated those scenes. So what you need to do after you generated it is actually for you to actually download it and generate another one. But just in case that you don't feel like downloading only that one and generating another one, so I will also show you how to do it so that you can add another scene. After this scene, you can add another scene instead of you going to the this thing CapCut to actually edit. But why I prefer CapCut is that there are so many things you can do inside CapCut. Adding your background music or doing some kind of editing. That's the reason why I prefer to create the scenes one after the other, then download it one after the other. But I'll still need to teach you guys how to add your scenes right here. So, but firstly, before I do that, I would like to download this video. So if you want to download, what you need to do is for you to come and click on this icon. Can you see this icon? So once you tap on this icon right here, you can see animated GIF original size, and you can see this upscale 1080p. So you don't need to upscale it to 1080p for better clarification. So all you just need to do is to tap on it, and also tap on it. You see here is upscaling. You don't need to wait a minute for the thing to finish upscaling, and immediately it will be downloaded into your device. All right, so let's wait for it. Okay, right now you can see it has finished upscaling, and you can see that it has been downloaded, and you can see just downloaded right here. You can see it's done. So okay, now that we have finished downloading, right, so I want to show you guys something. Okay, let me say for instance you want to create another scene, right? You want to add another scene to this scene. So let me show you guys how to do it. So all you need to do is for you to just come right here. You can see this add to scene. You just need to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you can see this particular scene that we created earlier. Can you see it right here? You don't need to come right here and generate another scene again. You can say when. So guys, I've finished writing the second prompt. So what I wrote right here, I said, when one person from the crowd told Noah that he was lying, that God did not ask him to build any ark, the person, then I now said the person should say this: Noah, you are a liar. You made up this story. God did not ask you to build ark. You can go with your family. God did not ask you to build any ark. You can go with your family and leave us alone. Right, so all I just need to do is for me to just come right here and click on go, and it will start generating the second script. So what you just need to do is for you to just wait as we waited for the other one. All right, so after it's generated and you still want to generate another one, you just keep generating it like that. All right. So guys, you can see the thing have finished generating, and you can see the second script right here. So let me just play it so that you see. All right, so take the line back, and right here you can see.
Noah, you are a liar. You made up this story. God did not ask you to build any ark. You can go with your family and leave us alone. Please, my people, get into the ark.
So you can see, like, this is exactly how to actually generate this. So if you want to arrange after you have actually created different scene and you want to arrange, you just need to come right here and click on this arrange right here, and you will be able to arrange. Understand? So, and also, what again do I need to show you guys right here? So this is exactly how to do it, right? So when you are done, that's it. So if you want to download everything, let me say for instance, you've actually arrange all the story right here the way you want it, and you want to actually download all the story together, like they will be merged together. You just need to come and click on this download, right? And you can see this download right here. Once you tap on it, it will be downloaded, right? So this is exactly how to do it, guys. So all you just need to do is for you to come to this platform and create an account and you enjoy this. You see that you can actually create a Bible story for free, right? Very simple, easy peasy. So if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Master, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And also, it's important for you to actually pay for this particular platform if you want to enjoy it. If you want to make money, you also need to spend money for you to make money. So so many people are making money with this, and I will actually assure you that when you start it, you will also make money with it on YouTube, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.